Hello, Xposed GH, maybe I'll be a Nichia Cassiana Emma. Members of Parliament, once I'm now became I know I hear by the Privilege Committee, what the Mequa, Yamaka, no one America, because Jimmy, the intimate to Sabi, Jimmy, Jimmy. Ghana, Macasian Constitution is one of the stupid constitutions I've ever seen in this world. Yes. And I have my own thing. Because Constitution, in such a way, say it's only the politicians who benefits. The ordinary people, they don't get anything. Trust me. It's a politician never has a power to the people, no board that damn power be no. The power is entrenched in the executive. Here at your mama or you bet me be bet me chiwa to man, no bet me you, bet me go cool nipa two to bet me you. That is how Ghana is being run. Now one area parliament I mean who here or as what somebody should enlighten me. I don't understand. Nyeti America sano Parliament is supposed to enact laws. I can say enact. I mean, say, no man share amagana, emra na yenye diso. Meanwhile, Parliament, the qualification to Parliament, you don't need to be any qualification holder. Obi anko school that cry sabe obetimi akọ Parliament. Na no make us say emra sabe ye ka say lawyer or you obi akọ school wakọ edu anim a onim ne left from his right emra no nim say oye wi a nhihye be and all that. Anentina Parliament home na omkakwashe mrenye sa omabe road amaye no omumom no there's no qualification asemwe maka na omoguo monmu ase member of Parliament ba cause sorry o kasa ya no wie manti ase yenko na nso kotie wi ase o kasa wi ase obeti ase ara.
Honorable Chairman of the Health Committee, you second the motion. If you have any contribution, please do so.
I second the motion, and in seconding, I want to say that the Ghana America Trust Fund is the best thing that probably have happened in Ghana for the year 2025. And for the first time, we are tackling the chronic disease. We are going to provide specialist care, and Ghanaians are going to really feel the medical care for those who hitherto could not afford specialist care. And I must say that there was a little bit of talk about equipment, etc. And I have to say that Ghana is not Accra. We have got regional hospitals and
Honorable Chairman, in conclusion,
and others, yes, who do not have the equipment. Yes, who do not have the equipment. In conclusion, I want to say that the Ghana Medical Trust Fund has come to fill a gap in the healthcare sector, and we must say thank you to His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Ghana, for resetting the medical field. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
What's what imagine me? Because I said na guy can also speak at the say, so what are you saying? All these people are in Parliament. They are called honorable. When the no ya mrama etina mrafu no ya magana no. Hey, I'm from privilege committee I know na meka. Because emra mo ya na nyamra papa. How can it be said, baby omo ye mra wo no, omo ho na kasa, obi o ho nko school da? Ah, enlighten me. Are we saying say a lawyer can tell me say uncle school da? Now we o ye mra ama a whole country obi uncle school no oti ho na ni obeya ye ni ama S gracia ye Jimmy Bruta. This is the kind of constitution I'm talking about. Because there should be say the minimum whatever qualification should even be ABA SHS. I don't know. ABA first degree. Because you can't go and make law for me when you yourself you don't even understand the law. Trust me. And then you can say a friend say A+ or the maybe alcohol. Because to send your casa, most of them are like that. They are there, yeah. Obeka yeah, sir, 4 years. So akwaje S gracia Jimmy Crow, sa. Akwani Crow ma na wakwa year 1 2 bi wakwa 2 ane ko for Jimmy for dignity sa. Is it the kind of country that we want? Let's up the game a bit. And then some cleaners crown quite cleaner. You need an SHS certificate. How much more member of Parliament of Ghana? Okay, say you don't need any qualification, and people are happy with it. No wonder you won't cross to say, Papa will kasa ya one Kenya same be a papa penimua who cast someone to top papa susa who you say speaker represents. So what are you saying? Now we get with 10 of Parliament, officers of Parliament, and they are more than 10 there. I'm telling you, you are Jimmy where those war. We are not going to be to normal team. Most of them has never contributed to anything in Ghana. You only can and you'll be an car. Send me border for when ye can. I call me back at ticket like a ye. Share, see a chili crow. Now you did Jimmy say chili crow any ye. A crony a woman. I deal when you did chili crony there any ye, forgetting. Because a near may be on one fan share baby and one fan to baby a tour a say. And I deal with and run it through all our political class. We don't have politician president only retiring age, only limitation be a meanwhile obi oye juma office 60 you have to go home. TNU obi ohwe kro ni nyina so no about 60 or you qualified to rule over a nation. No, be away yet more small company, 60, you have to go home and you tell me we are wise, we are stupid. We don't have sense. Because there should be retirement age for our president. And then you shall go for to buy it is something, and no sheer pottor, a say your money pottor. We should limit certain things. Politicians should have limitation. Member of Parliament will be at the 75. He is still a member of Parliament. Speaker, how old is he? Are we saying they are not working? That is why they don't have any retirement age? Are we that dumb? Do you know the demands of a speaker and the way it should be? We are jokers. Because if it's not what we are joking at, most of them would have been retired by now. Let's be serious as a nation. I expose you, Chef and Bruce. Subscribe, share me, 2 man now, and say,